Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla. In this video, I am going to help you out to kickstart your career with SQL. Many of you know what to learn, but when start to learn, they feel difficulty because of by choosing the wrong platform to learn. They simply go with the Google, but not with the feedback. Today, we'll see where to start and how to start SQL from scratch. First of all we need to know where to learn. These are three sites are very easy and having good stuff for beginners. Let's discuss one by one and note that all the links are given in the description below. Please check it out. Just go with the Chrome and search W3 schools. Here you'll find the first link as W3 schools online web tutorials. And here go to tutorials and here you can find Learn SQL. Now you are in the SQL tutorial page. This link is given in the description below. Please go with that. And for the beginners, you need to start SQL from the database, and then we're supposed to create database, drop, backup, create, and drop the tables like this. After finishing all these things up to views, SQL views, then we're supposed to start SQL home, intro, syntax, and all this stuff up to the SQL operators. Then you are a perfect beginner for SQL. And coming to the second website, JavaTpoint. Just search JavaTpoint SQL and you'll go to this page. And this link also is given in the description below. And here it is arranged in a sequence manner from SQL to database creation, drop, and table creation, select statements, and all the type of things are given in a order. So it is the best website for the beginners. And let's go to Solo Learn. Just type Solo Learn, or else you can go with the description link in the below. And here you can directly find the SQL here. Just click on it. This site is supposed to log in, so you need to log in with the email, and I already registered with this course, so I have opened. If you are new to this, just click on to the Solo Learn and go with the catalog. Here it comes, and click on SQL here, and it is redirected to the course page. And here you are having multiple sections and multiple tasks for doing learning and practice as well. Okay, this is the somewhat basic question. You can read this and you can continue for to answer. The unique column used to identify the all records is called primary key. Just click on primary and continue. We're done with this. That means learning and practice, both things are done in simultaneously. And this is the second question. Just read the syntax and go with the answer. What is the name of the language used to create and access database? It is very simple, SQL. Check out the answer and it's correct. Like this is a very interactive platform for the beginners. Now let's come to the SQL Zoo. Simply search sqlzoo.net, or else you can go with the link given in the description below. This is also a platform to learn SQL, but not for the beginners. It is for the medium level programming engineers. This is also an interactive platform, but not for the beginners. So for the beginners, please go with the above 3 websites to learn for free. Now coming to the learning with a paid subscription, you can find Udemy course, Coursera and Code Academy courses with the paid subscription. I'll give in all the links of these subscription in the description below. Now it's come to the practice. Solo Learn, HackerRank, Azure Portal, SQL Server Management Studio and Online GDB is there. And for the beginners, Solo Learn is very easy and interactive platform for the beginners. And HackerRank is for the beginners and medium programmers as well. And Azure Portal, SSMS, Online GDB, these three are somewhat easy for the medium users and advanced programmers, but it looks like somewhat difficult to the beginner programmers. So we'll see one by one. We already seen the solo learn as for the learning and practicing in the same platform. So we'll go with the hacker rank. Just click on the hacker rank dashboard. I'll also provide the link in the description below. Coming to the hacker rank, it looks like this, and when we scroll to down, we'll find prepared by topics. Click on SQL, which is under the prepare by topics. Here you can find lot more problems for to practice in this same platform, and here you can sort it out by solved, unsolved, for basic users, intermediate, advanced, and we can set difficulty also and subdomains also. And this is a very interactive platform to practice for the beginners. Coming to the Azure portal, coming to the Azure portal, I have already created a video regarding to the Azure portal by creating a database. You can go and see this video. The link is in the description, and we'll go to SSMS. The setup of SQL Server Management is somewhat very vast. I'll make a dedicated video for that. For now, we'll just open and see the interface of SQL Server Management Studio. If you are already installed, no problem with that. Just open your SSMS. It takes a bit of time. Here, select database engine and select our database and click on connect. Click on new query. I'll just write a code and let's check for the results, and I got the result. That means it works perfectly. The online GDB is not supposed to be a platform for the users, so we'll skip that one. And thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and every subscribe and comment is very precious for us.